This small white capsule attached to a lamppost is so plain you're unlikely to even notice it, and that's by design. Unlike the last thing on a lamppost we looked at, this one doesn't have a clue what's going on around it, and it doesn't care. While it's not obvious what it's doing, this one does at least have a label that explains what it is. No, not that one, although that is true. This one, that explains that it's called a Jellyfish Bridge, and more importantly, that it's related to SES Water, who are the water supplier in this area. It sounds like a weird thing to have attached to a lamppost, but from a quick Google, it all gets explained. This thing is an AMR to AMI bridge. There are two different ways of reading utility meters. In England and Wales, water is either unmetered or uses one of three types of meter: manually read, automated meter reading, AMR, or smart metering, which is technically called AMI, or Advanced Metering Infrastructure. Manual meter reading is a lot of work, whereas AMR meters can be read from a short distance away by an officer either driving or walking past the house. But the gold standard is the fully automated AMI. Unfortunately, there are still a large number of AMR meters out there, and replacing them is a slow and costly process. That's where these bridges come in. These little devices connect to AMR meters, request readings from them, and transmit that as an AMI signal using the pre-existing mobile phone network, AMR to AMI bridge, allowing essentially a touch-free upgrade. The name Jellyfish is just humorous branding. Deployed on residential streets, it can connect to the AMR meters in range and provide readings every 15 minutes, once an hour, or daily for up to 15 years on one battery. This allows both the customer and water company to keep a closer eye on water usage, provide much more accurate bills, and spot issues early. I can't see any pattern to where these are located, but then I don't know which of these houses have an AMR meter and which don't. The locations of these will have been planned in reference to the pre-existing AMR walk and drive routes, and are a quick and cheap and easy upgrade to the modern smart metering system. Many water companies are already using them, and they're just one more high-tech device quietly shaping the world around us, and one more mystery solved as we continue to ask the question, what's that thing? And now it's raining so much, I've got water on my lens.